My name is Walter Diamond, and I'm the world's greatest assassin. My job isn't easy, and I'm always on the run. My work ethic is flawless. And I never leave evidence behind. Many of my targets think they're good at disguising themselves. But what they don't know is that I'm a master in disguise. And I always get the job done. I'm given a new assignment every day. And today, I know exactly who I'm looking for. I study my targets meticulously. They think they can outsmart me, but they never see me coming. You can run. You can hide. But I'll always find you. And that's why I'm the best in the business.
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away, I've got to get away from the pain that you drive into the heart of me. The love we share seems to go nowhere, and I've lost my life, for I toss and